Oh. Hey y'all, we have a new powder to try out today, and I am very excited about this. I want to do a powder foundation routine today, and it's gonna be with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Press Face Powder. I got two shades. I didn't know which shade would work. I got Deep Dark 21, and Dark 20. So I saw these in Ulta. And Dark 20 looked a little light, and then Deep Dark 21 looked a little bit, it looked a little too dark, but I don't know. I was just looking at it in the packaging, but I should have opened this before I even turned the camera on, but this is the packaging. So yeah, let me do my primer. I already moisturized and all of that, so I'm gonna put on a primer. And I'm gonna do it just like I do my other powder foundation routines, if you guys have seen those. If you haven't, it's a little bit different. It's a little different than my usual foundation routine, so you guys will see it in this video. But I'm excited. I'm gonna do my brows first, and then we are gonna try out that powder. Okay, so hold on. With the powder foundation routine, I go in with my concealer first before I put on the powder. And I'm gonna take the concealer I always use, which is my Elle Cosmetics Camo Concealer. Okay, while I'm blending this out, let me read the box. It says a creamy pressed powder for an effortless skin-like natural finish. This multitasking face powder easily blends into the skin with light, buildable coverage, perfect for wearing alone, which is what we're doing today. To set the makeup, which I will do that in another video, or for touch-ups throughout the day. It says it's infused with sunflower seed extract and cucumber fruit extract to keep the skin hydrated, soft, and healthy looking. Okay, I am not gonna set the concealer yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and go into the setting powder, the Colourpop setting powder, before I even set the middle of my face. So, Dark 20 is, oops, it comes with a pad. I just dropped it. This right here. So if you want to use, you know, one of these pads, it already comes with it. And then this is what Dark 20 looks like in the pan. So maybe, I don't know, maybe it'll work for me. You know how the lights are in the store? Like, it's kind of weird. Kind of makes the foundations look a little weird once you open them up in the store. So I don't know, but let's see what Deep Dark 21 looks like. Y'all, I haven't used a Colourpop foundation in a while, so, and I don't even remember what color I used. Yeah, just looking at this, it just looks like I could probably use it as a bronzer. I already know it's gonna look too red on my skin. So with that being said, let's go ahead and go in with this color and use it as my full-on foundation. So with my powder foundation routines, I still use a sponge, and the sponge is always damp. Every time you guys see me use a sponge, just know it's always damp. So I'm gonna take it and tap it into the product like this to pick up, ooh, I picked up a lot. And let's just see how it looks. Let me see if it gives me, ooh. Oh, this is like full coverage. Let me kind of tap it out some. Maybe because I picked up so much, but now that I'm blending it out, it kind of shears out a little bit. Yeah, this color is a little pink. Ugh. Do y'all see that? Maybe it's just me, but I feel like it's a little pink. I don't know. Let's just put it all over the face and see how it looks. Let's see how it all comes together. But y'all, it builds nice. It's looking a little matte though. That's why it's important for you to really prep the skin, which I already did before sitting here. I moisturized my skin really good. And then I just went in with a little bit of that Fenty primer. But yeah, the color is a little, it's a little pink, I feel like. Yeah, I was gonna say let's try that darker shade on my forehead since it is warm, but let's not. Let's just do this. Yeah, I'm not liking this color, y'all. Not liking the color of this. At least not, you know, to use it by itself. It might look better if I just lightly brush it all over the face with a liquid foundation on, but I wanted to see how it looks by itself before even doing that, you know? But I like how it builds. I like how it's looking on the skin. I just don't like the color. I'm not liking the color, y'all. But the formula is not yet. Ooh, I don't like this color. Okay, let me actually go in with Deep Dark 21. I'm gonna try to wipe off as much as I can on this napkin so I won't mix the color too much with this one. So Deep Dark 21. Let's see what this, I might even just use this as my bronzer today. Yeah, see, it's definitely warmer than the other one. So we'll just use this as bronzer instead. Woo, girl. I'm glad I was able to try this out for you guys though, because I know a lot of you are my foundation twin. So I'm gonna definitely try to, you know, make this look better once I put everything else on my face. But based off my first impression, I don't like the color. Do not like the color at all. I like the finish. I really like the finish. It's really soft, smooth. It gives me that airbrushed, kind of like face-tuned finish. Really pretty, y'all. But the color is just not, it's just not there. So I'm gonna take my Sephora loose setting powder to set my concealer. Okay, y'all, face is pretty matte. I'm gonna spray it though to give me that glow back into the skin. But this is how we're looking with just the powder. So yeah, this color, the dark, what is it? The Deep Dark 21. This I would use as a bronzer because I mean, you can see it definitely did give me warmth. But Dark 20, I'm gonna have to try this on a liquid foundation and see how it looks if I just, you know, set the foundation. But wearing this by itself, I would not do it. The Makeup Forever, I have it right here actually. Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Powder, beautiful by itself. The Sephora Micro Smooth Setting Powder, beautiful. The, what's another one? Too Faced. And also the one from Fenty. Those are the 4 setting powders that I have in my collection that I like wearing by themselves or with a liquid foundation. But just, you know, this one by itself, I would not wear it. Let me finish up my face. I'm gonna do a little something, you know. Honestly, I'm just gonna do my usual look. All right, guys, I am done with the face. I have all the products in the description if you're wondering what I applied, but let's talk about the skin. Let's just talk about it. So, you can, hopefully you guys can see it. I know I can see it, but there is definitely a color difference with, like, especially when I turn this way, right here and here. So yeah, I'm not impressed with the powder. The color is not it. I feel like I pulled it together. It looked way better than it did, but yeah, so have you guys tried this powder out? If you have, what are your thoughts on it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Because I want to know. Let's talk about it down below in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed this first impression review on the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Pressed Powder. This will also be in the description as well, as far as like where you can get it, prices and all of that. But that is all that I have for today's video. I know it was short and sweet, which is what I wanted it to be. And I just really and truly wanted to try this out anyway. So that is what I did today. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one.